welcome back to my channel. It's a girl for Glams and I'm back with another tutorial. So today we'll be doing the wig headband tutorial. For a while now, this hair has been trending all over YouTube, all over Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, all the social media platforms. Everybody's rocking their headband wig, and I thought to do a tutorial for some of us that are on a budget and we can afford, you know, the headband wig sold by some brands. So I thought to show you guys very easy tutorial. You can do it yourself. This is a DIY tutorial. Do it yourself, strictly you doing it yourself, and you don't have to spend so much to be able to achieve this elegant look. So I'll also be breaking down all the products that I used, the amount that I got them, and at the end of the day we're going to see how much I spent getting this elegant, beautiful, glamorous, amazing wig that I have on right now. And if this is something you want to see, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Then you click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Now let's go. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the LULUTRESS braided crocheted hair, and I used 4 packs, and a pack was for $7. You can use any crochet hair you want, and you can definitely get hair that are cheaper than this one. I even saw one for like $4 or $5, so it all depends on your preference, but I totally love this one. And the fact that you can separate the hair without frizz, and it's still very coily, and it's still giving you that, you know, look that you want to go for. It's amazing. I really love this hair extension. We're going through all the items or product that I use, and for this is the crocheted wig cap. Make sure you get this one if you're doing the crochet method. And I'll also be using my wig band. This one has stones. You can get the one without stones. It all depends on your preference as well. And I'll also be using my T-pins and my needles and my thread, and I'll be using my affix pins, and I'll also be needing my crochet needle, of course. So starting this tutorial, you want to turn your wig crochet cap inside out. As you can see, it's the inside of the crocheted wig cap that is outside right now, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want to attach the wig band to it. So the first step is to turn your wig cap crocheted inside out, and then I'm going to be sure that my wig band is also turned the same way. As you can see, I'm just checking and confirming that it's the same thing before I turn it inside out. The next step is to use the pins to hold the wig cap and the wig band together. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when I start using my needle and thread to attach both ends together, it's much easier when you already have it pinned together. So that's what I'm doing right now. I belong to you, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby, and I never let you down. And one more thing, guys, most times people ask me the same questions that I already answered in my videos, and guys, it's not easy going through those again. So please make sure you pay attention as you're watching this video. This video is extremely detailed, and every product, everything I use is already here, and it will also be in the description box. So when you skip, you're going to miss out, and then you ask me the same question that's already been answered in the video. So make sure you pay attention and don't skip, and watch to the very end. So the next step is using my needle and thread to join both ends of the wig cap and the wig band together. So this is basically very simple. If you already know how to use your needle and thread, then you know what I'm doing right now. But if you don't, then just see how I am using the needle and thread to join both sides or the ends of the wig cap and the wig band. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your love, and baby, So for the hair and every other thing that I used here, please, you can get them from your regular beauty supply stores anywhere you are in the world. It's possible not to get the same exact brand that I use for the extension, or you can get something close or similar. It's just for you to go around your local beauty supply stores and go through the crochet extensions that they have, and I'm sure you get something really close, or you get exactly what I used. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me. And I also decided to use the needle and thread method because I know not everyone, can have access to sewing machine or can even use a sewing machine. I have a sewing machine and it would have been very easy for me to just run it through and very fast. But I thought to do the needle and thread method to show to you guys that even when you don't have a sewing machine, you can actually use your needle and thread to also achieve this. So that is why it is very important that in anything you want to improvise, really, there's nothing you can do if you don't put your mind into it. Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. So when you're done joining both ends together, this is what you should end up having, and it is very secure, no loose ends. It is just amazing what you can do with your needle and your thread. And when I'm done, I'm just going to try it out, see how it fits on my head before I proceed to the next step. I've known it all along. Maybe this is where our story. So for the next step, we'll actually get into the fun part of this tutorial. So what I'm doing right now is putting back the wig cap on the mannequin, and then I start to go in with my crochet. But notice now that the outside of the wig cap is, make sure it is out. As you can see the stone, so that's telling you that this is the outside of the wig cap, because you don't want to make the mistake of doing it inside out, because you end up crocheting the product or the extension inside instead of outside of the wig. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. This is the fun part, guys, and it's very easy for you to just go through with your crochet needle, especially if you already know how to use your crochet needle. This should be as simple as ABC for you. So you go through the holes of the extension, loop your hair, and just lock it, and that's it. And another thing is you want to start in front, so you pull more of the product in front, and then at the back of the wig cap you just scatter the product through, because you don't want the back to look fuller than the front side. So please start in front, and then whatever you have left of your extension, you just spread it out at the back of the hair. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars.
So we're almost done looping and installing our crochet wig, and you can see what I have left is not so much, so I'm just going to separate or spread that out at the back of the hair. So that is why I told you initially that you want to start in front, and whatever you have left you just want to spread it out at the back.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong.
And the final stage, guys, is me just fluffing or separating the coils, and this is totally optional. If you like it this way, it is fine, but I wanted more volume, so I had to separate the hair. And while you're doing this, you have to be careful so you don't get frizz or you don't get tangled. But even if you get any tangles at the end, just get your scissors and just cut at the ends, and that's it. But you have to be very careful while you're separating. You know, it's curly hair sometimes, or most times they always, you know, get the frizz and the tangles. But don't worry, when you have your scissors, just cut off the ends, and then you want to make sure it is equal. You can just get your scissors and just trim the ends, and that is it. Your wig cap is ready and you're good to go. So for everything that I got was like $49.98, which is not so bad, guys. If I'm to take out the needles and the thread, of course, I mean, most of us already have needle and thread. Everything won't even be up to $30, and this is what we have, guys. This is amazing. So guys, I am back and I will be trying out the wig, and I just want you guys to see the inside of the wig, and this is what the wig is looking like inside. Remember, we did the crochet method, so this is expected. Remember, the wig cap is net. So let's try out the wig and see.
Baby, and I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. No one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts.
This is really nice, and I love the fact that it is really full. And if you want to go for that to like separate the hair, you can definitely do that, but I'm okay with this volume. I feel like this is so much hair already, and this is so pretty. And you can also play around with the band. If I don't want these stones to show, I can just fold it inside like so, just to close up the stones. See that? And that's it. And if I also want to add my headband, I have one of my headband here that I also got for this band. I got it for maybe $2 or $2.99, and it's also elastic. So make sure when you're getting your headband, always check and see if it's elastic. If it's not elastic, it will be very difficult for you to play with your headband. So I'm just going to put this in so it blends with what I'm wearing. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So I'm just going to put that at the back of the hair and just fix it in very well. This is really beautiful. You can have different headbands you can rock with your headband wig. You can get black, pink. It comes in different colors, and you can definitely have fun styling your headband wig. So like I said, if you don't want if you want more volume for the hair, you can definitely separate the hair, but I am so okay with what I have right now. Like guys, This is so beautiful. I'm going to turn and show you guys the back of the hair. You can definitely not see any space in between, and there is so much space because I didn't want it to be too full. I left some part of the back, but you will never see the space at the back because of the density of the hair. So I'm just going to turn around for you guys to see that. And the hair is so firm, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere, it's just going to stay on my hair. This is really nice, guys.
Do just what you want, you're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. No one else, cause baby we got chemistry.
So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. Until my next video, bye guys.